How to sell items on Square. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to sell an item in Square by simply adding an item over here. On the left side, you can see that there's a navigation option called items. Clicking on this will allow you to view your item library, in which you could actually add a new item that you could then add into your receipts, invoices, and all kinds of things. So simply wait over here, as you can see. So simply click on create item over here, wait for the pop-up, and then simply enter the necessary information over here for your item, as you can see. So that's basically it guys. After you're doing this, simply click on save and you will be able to create an item that you can now sell. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.